Markzware. QuarkXPress came out with a new version of QuarkXPress 2018 with some really cool, unique features that are unique to the desktop publishing world, like multicolor fonts, HTML5 offline reading. Their HTML5 import or export is incredible anyway, and much more, JavaScript automation, etc. So it really is a great competitive tool to Adobe InDesign. And we're very happy that we are sort of like a Switzerland of the market and can support both QuarkXPress and Adobe InDesign CC 2018 and lower files. In any event, the good news is Markzware's FlightCheck will now support QuarkXPress 2018 and lower files.
So here's the press release, and you can read all about it.
Markzware's FlightCheck is a pre-flight and packaging tool which will pre-flight, give you a quality assurance check on your files, print, online, digital or otherwise, to help you ascertain if you need to take action before going further with that job. It will also package or collect or gather all fonts and images used in your file. Very, very handy. FlightCheck also supports Adobe's InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop Creative Cloud 2018 and lower. So FlightCheck is a real workhorse that will handle all of the major desktop publishing applications out there. QuarkXPress 2018, Adobe InDesign CC 2018, and lower from all those versions. It'll even check individual files. What's unique about FlightCheck is it checks not only these source files, which is very important, but it'll also check the PDF file, more of a post-flight. So with FlightCheck, you can get one standalone application that will check PDFs and the source files before going further, before going to print, which might cost you a lot of money if you have errors in your file. We have many other videos on how FlightCheck works, and you can dive into those and how you set up your ground controls, how you can use the page layout to actually go right into the problem in your Quark or your InDesign, or Illustrator, and it's extremely handy. But don't believe what I have to say. Check out what the customers are saying about FlightCheck.
FlightCheck is an indispensable program to check all types of files before sending to print. While some programs have built-in pre-flight, none surpasses the options and power of FlightCheck.
There are some amazing reviews out there on FlightCheck. So now you can use FlightCheck to check your QuarkXPress 2018 and of course the Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, Creative Cloud 2018 and lower files as well. FlightCheck to pre-flight and package your files. It's a real workhorse. Customers are really wild crazy about it. It really helps them save a lot of time and money and headaches. That's maybe more important than the time and the money. Cruise on over to www.markzware.com today to download a full working demo version and to learn more about FlightCheck. Thank you. David Dilling from Markzware, wishing you a fantastic day.